Welcome to Knights & Co Xero tutorials. On this video we will be showing you how to create invoice templates to personalise your sales invoices to your business. You can add your logo, add a Pay Now button if you take credit card payments or payments via PayPal, and select the financial information you want to show. To get to the invoice settings, go to Settings, General Settings, and then Invoice Settings. Xero will have a standard layout already set up, and this will suit most businesses, and you can add your own touches to this layout or create your own from scratch. To customise the existing template, go to Options and then Edit. Here you can change the name of the layout, font type and size, what the wording is on your invoice, so instead of tax invoice you might want it to say VAT invoice. You might want to show an item code. You may not want your invoice to show the unit price and quantity, and you might want to hide the discount. You can add your terms of payment advice. You can have your logo on the left or right. There are lots of options to personalise your invoice. If you have made any changes, click on Save. To add another layout, click on the new branding theme. Give this layout a name and make any changes you want to make to customise it, and click Save. To upload a logo, go to Upload Logo on the layout you want to add it to, and then click Browse and select the file with your logo in. The logo must be a JPG, GIF or PNG file, then click Upload. The logo will then show up here. To change or remove the logo, you can go to Options and select Change or Delete. You can preview what your invoice will look like by going to the Options and Preview. Here you can see what the invoice will look like on a computer screen, and by selecting this option you can see what it will look like on a mobile device. In default settings, you can set up your standard payment terms and the due dates on all bills and sales invoices. So if your terms are 30 days after invoice date, you will put 30 in here and then select after invoice date. You can override the terms for each invoice and custom payment terms for individual contacts. You can set your invoices to start from a certain number and have a different prefix, and the same with your purchase orders and quotes. We will cover payment services in a future video. In invoice reminders, you can email reminders for your invoices and edit what the email says. You can include a copy of the invoice on the email and exclude reminders on invoices under a specific amount. And that is how you create invoice templates. Thank you for watching, and please look out for future videos.